Hello mga guys. This is my video in Roblox. Yeah. Okay guys. Let's go Roblox. Makadtudig yung friend ko guys na baba. Na ano guys. Na yun. Go wait him here. Okay. I wanna get some car thing. What car I'm gonna pick? What car I'm gonna pick? Oh, I'm gonna pick this car one. Yeah, I like this car, bro. Ooh, my friend is so really late, bro. And I can make gaming, bro. I can make gaming today. That's what you're gonna see that. There's once. Yeah. Bro, where na that sa bro? Okay. Okay, guys. What is in here? Where's the gaming stuff? Okay. Okay, guys. Ara akong friend guys. So, hello na sila. Hello na sila. Hello. Guys. Ayan siya guys. Ready na kamo guys sa makita sa guys. Okay. Bruh. Oh yeah, the gaming. Oh sheesh. Lahat yan lang sa number ano ha. Okay guys, I'm gonna find my house and I gonna make secret room guys. Let's go. We'll do this. And guys, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Make sure to subscribe and like. Bro, nice car. Lambo. Yeah, nice car, yeah. I like that car, bro. Yes, this one. Okay, guys. Hey, bro. Okay, guys, my friend is here na. Okay guys, I'm gonna make a secret base in my house. It's gonna be good. Bruh. Ila. My friend took nagur. Okay guys, this is my friend. This is my friend Ila, but his real name is Lily. Okay. Choose menu item, please item. Putik yan. Putik ako yan. Hara na! Ina! Yeah, my name is Sukuna Zeus. Okay, I think this house. And let's you're gonna help mo ko help mo ko may secret room. Okay. Hindi mo pa ganon. Igamit ang car pasulod bidanay sa garage, please. Nasiga lang pala. Okay. Roommate lang pala. Okay, guys. I think may basement na din. May basement. Wait lang. Bro, it's not this one. I check those. My secret. It's not this one. Bro. I-open din mo garage. Ay, garage. Hindi mo ano. Rin na balay. Hindi. Hindi. Ate, hindi kinakamakay mo balay. Nakasew po. Di mo na lang eh. Sige. Dae, X anay. Ang ari na balay. This is Ari, dagan. Basta. Okay, guys. This one. Ari, here. Watch. Here. See? And
Ano da yun, sis?
sige lang. Roommate. La, pasudla ko. Ay, bunny ah! I'm gonna make a secret base here, guys. And this is gonna be cool. You're gonna like this, guys. Okay, I'm gonna put some lights.
Open ko lang ako, sis.
Okay, I'm gonna put some gaming stuff here. Hey, I think I'm gonna get some sign.
I'm gonna put some lights here.
Sign. Said open. Bruh. Hey, not there. Here. I hate this one. Bro! I hate, bruh.
Kasabad pala siya, ka-Jermaine. Tanong pa na sa mga untat na. You put the lights.
Okay, I'm gonna put the lights. Just wait. I'm gonna put.
Kwa, anay ay, bantagid ka karon.
Oh, gani. Igi mo ko tani ano. Ang ngalan na open.
Anuhin mo na
Put ko di gaming stuff, of course.
Paput ko di bed.
I'm gonna put
Ayun nga
some
put
this
bunk
one.
Bed, bunk bed. Bunk bed. And then with the bunk bed. And actually, we're gonna put some toilet seat.
Gago.
Baba mo.
We're not gonna put
I'm gonna
toilet.
put some lights. Ako lang.
Yeah, of course. The lights. And there's the gaming. Bro.
Oh, bro.
I don't like this gaming one. Here is this one. I'm gonna put this one here.
Because I like the rainbow one. Yeah, so.
There. Bruh. There. Ooh, that one is good. That one is good.
Let's put some trophy right here.
And let's go.
YouTuber trophy. There.
Yeah. Super trophy.
I'm gonna put it on
Prop,
the
bruh.
side.
I'm gonna get these props out.
I'm gonna put some trophy too.
Okay, guys. I have a gaming here. Look, I can play it. And not. Wow, ang gonna play that na yun.
I'm gonna
Arena.
put some moonlight.
Gaming. No. Not that one. And let's
And
go
I'm
put some
gonna
TV, I think. We're gonna put some TV.
I'm gonna put some soft chair. Okay, some soft chair.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. Hey, hey, the lights, bro.
Oh, I forgot. I erased the light.
And let's go put some TV. We need the TV. And PS5, my boy.
I'm gonna put some rug right here.
PS5.
Sinain naman to.
Oh, sheesh. And let's go put some
Get out, bro.
PS5 too. Hey, sheesh. We have a PS5. A gaming set. And mini, bro. This is good, bro. I like it. I super like it. Chair. Yeah, we need chair to sit to play. this one.
I'm gonna put some baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Look
There.
at this chair.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
Bro, what did we do with it? Bro, where's my bed, bro?
I like this place, bro. Look, we have a PS5, a big TV, and a chair. And where's my gaming stuff here,
You kick it
bro?
out, bro.
Where's my gaming stuff?
You kick it out.
What did I do to my place?
I'll be right there. I'm here.
Birds.
This is mine.
Hey, ako na gano'n na.
Kuya.
Okay.
Bro.
Don't climb. I don't like
Hindi,
it.
kuya butang.
Hindi ka man kabalo mag-gaming.
May gaming
PS5 ka, balong magampang PS5, bro.
Oo.
Oh, I like this one. I'm gonna put it, bro. It's never gonna go anywhere.
Pero PS5 kuya.
Hoy, may PS5 na ta, bro.
Ariya balaw sa gaming ko diya.
I like it, my boy.
I'm gonna put some lint bar. Wall.
May secret base na ta. And we have a room.
Bro. Nagbutang ko da bed.
Di ako, where's my room? Where's my room?
It's the room. Arada, imo na.
I like this room, bro. It's good. But na hindi mag-fit sa sa kon mga blaw. Mga stuff. Nothing. Pwede sa dali na lang.
Diri kaya sa secret base yo. Diri tayo matulog. Ano kaya? Diri tayo matulog. I'm gonna put some cellphone.
Maka-video ko di guys.
You
I
want
can
some-
video here. Hello guys.
You want
I'm playing
some
Roblox.
cellphone?
Oh yeah, I can buy cell phones here.
Bro, no. Don't buy a cell phone. That's so ugly.
Ugly as you. Oh, roll with me, bro.
A roommate ako.
Wait, let me try.
Oh, look at this, bro. Bro,
Hey, bro, I like that box.
we have some back.
I'm gonna get some food. You want some food?
Yeah.
You're gonna put na lang some food. Uy, akong gaming. Ako gusto na.
Uy, ako na diya.
Now I'm a YouTuber, bro. Okay, and I don't have a car, bro. Okay. I'm gonna get some.
Uy, ako na the gaming stuff, ha?
Daray mo gaming stuff. Ako dito sa mine is and secret base.
Upstairs?
Yeah,
And
secret
the
base.
other? Yeah.
No, it's not gross. It's not gross.
I'm gonna play on the playground, bro. Bye.
I think I can stall this. No, the police gonna little bit angry.
No, just stay there. Just go robbing, bro.
Bruh, don't rob.
Yeah, I'm gonna rob.
Whatever. Do yourself.
Here, I have a playground here, bro. It's from.
We're not a baby. I'm gonna get some Happy Burger and some
No,
pizza.
Let's get some robbing.
Ah! Some pizza too. Let's go get in the car. Slowly. Oh, mama.
Bro, what is this?
What? I did not see something there.
I see something. You are bald.
Bald guy, bro. That's bad.
No, you are bald. Kalbo ba na yaw?
Wait.
You are bald. You are kalbo. So guys,
Why?
see his face reveal, guys. Face reveal.
No.
Face reveal.
I cannot.
Me too. Na.
I don't want.
Me too. We see Cash and Nico have a face reveal.
Okay, guys.
Bro,
In May, I can face reveal.
no, in May 31, it's my graduation and I can face you.
Yeah, graduation, guys. That I'm gonna face reveal, and I'm not excited.
Yeah, because she is a little kid.
No, I'm not a kid. I'm adult.
Adult?
I'm gonna be grade 5. Okay.
So guys, it is a small like me.
No, I'm not small. I'm bigger than you. And I'm playing basketball,
He
guys.
is under 01. Where are you, bro?
Russia.
Bro!
Hey, I can play APS 5 here, bro. Okay, PS5.
Wait! Earl, nabatian mo, Earl?
Hey, where's my...
Earl, nabatian mo, Earl? Bro.
No.
Bra.
Bruh. Like that. Bruh. Like that, bro. What's up, bro? Like that. Bro, what's up, bro? What do you mean? What the fuck, bro?
B-R-A.
What?
B-R-A.
What? Bruh.
Bra.
Hey! And I don't know what bra is. Oh, I can like
this?
I can like do like this.
Earl, like this, Earl.
I can think.
So guys,
I'm gonna get.
I have this photo and I'm gonna see you. Please have a face reveal.
I think, guys, I don't want to face reveal. And no, I'm never gonna face reveal. In May, I can face reveal in May.
May 31, I'm gonna face reveal. But sorry guys, we cannot have
Face
a
reveal
face
pa.
reveal. Damn bitch. Uy,
And I can-
kauna. Let's eat, bro.
I don't want to eat. I can make, bro. My map, bro. I have a burger here and pizza. I don't care. Ow!
Let's eat!
And this is, I hate it. Is she not stopping? She's gonna die. Bro, my cell phone is lagging.
Okay.
It's really lagging.
Bye.
Bro. Ano din na doon nila? Ano din yung mga nila ba? What's happened, bro?
Go eat siya. I'm gonna call someone, bro. Let's
A
eat.
guy!
Let's eat.
Stop it, Brown.
Let's eat.
I hate you so much.
Eat.
Ow! I hate this girl.
Bro.
I'm so hated him.
Bruh. Bro, what the hell?
What are you saying? You're like bruh. Like bruh. It's like saying bruh. 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 Okay, guys.
Hello.
Hell no.
Balita. Masi, may secret base pa na balay.
Ay, wait, tuod.
I'm gonna erase this.
Bro, no, no, no! I hate you so much.
Get all your things, bro, and the attic.
I really hate you. I don't care. I really hate you. I think I'm gonna steal somebody's house. Do it.
I'm gonna get all my things. Carry your
Let's
things.
go. Let's go steal, bro. Hit it out. Oh. Did you see that house, guys? We're gonna rob that.
Bro, you can put up.
You rob
You,
it.
oh no, imo car, ari pa Japan.
I can rob this house, bro. I'm gonna rob this house.
Wait, what was that? Yeah, I forgot.
Oh, shit. Arang tagiya, bro. Ano na sinuna? Sinuna, bro. Kita ta sa
Yung puso ko'y nagturog ko. Yung parang
Uy, shit! Nakita ko.
nasa bibig ko. May secret into the early. Go into my house, bro. Ay, wala pa ka na roommate.
Kita ko na na, bro. Oh, I'm gonna find that one.
Bro, I forget what is the button, bro. Hindi nga ito mo on Earl.
Nandun.
It's going. Mike.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys. We are done. And we have a part 2 to make another secret base. Oh, wait. I'm gonna change my avatar. What's happened to my avatar? Okay, guys.
Thanks for watching.
And don't forget to subscribe,
Follow.
and like. Okay, guys.
Guys.
See